Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about MsgBox in VBA. Before jumping into video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Let's go. So MsgBox in VBA. First of all, what is MsgBox? So MsgBox is nothing but it is used to display the results or the messages to the user while the program is getting executed. So what are the uses of MsgBox? So MsgBox can be used to say some information to the user that this is what the program is doing and this is the result which you are getting. So it can be used in two different methods. Either it can be used as an output for the program, or also you can also allow the MsgBox to give decision to the program to run further if you have two different choices of the program. Nothing going there deeper. As of now, we are just showing the MsgBox and how to declare a MsgBox in VBA and what are the types we have available. Let's go. So open your Excel, go to Developer tab, insert a module. So here we are creating a brand new subroutine, and if you know about if you want to know about private subroutine and public subroutine, we have a video uploaded in the previous one. I have given the same link in the I button. Just go and watch and come back. So MsgBox test. So now here ideally I'm giving a variable value. I'm assigning a value A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. So now what did this MsgBox will do? Now MsgBox, the code for the MsgBox is MsgBox. So the short form of message is MSG and box is the same as box. Now you can see a lot of options given over here how it will be working. So first you can see the prompt. We have to open up suppose if I want to say hello world, I'm just typing a hello world, and then if I click on enter, that will be fine. Now if I run the program, you can see the MsgBox called hello world, the title of Microsoft Excel, and then you will get the button as OK. So suppose if you want to customize the header, and if you want any if you are getting any error in the program, if you want to give it as an critical kind of thing, yes, we have the options. So let's explore it. So once you give the comma, you can see a lot of options available over here, which is known as MsgBox style. There you can see application model, VB critical, VB default pattern, 1 2 3 4 and everything, and exclamation information, and these are all used based on the message which we are going to display. So now I am selecting it as information. Once you double click, it will get automatically added up over there. And then if you want to change the title of the message pop-up window, you can do that. So you can just give it as test. That's it. So you can see hello world. This is the information icon which we are going to see, and it's a test and hello world. Now if you want to change the title or the message over here, yes, we can do that. So for that, what you have to do is, now I am assigning a variable which is D, which is equal to A plus B. So ideally we have to get the result as 30. But if you want to see the value over there in the MsgBox, what we have to do is, you have to remove this hello world and then you have to give the D. So why we are not giving the we have not declaring the double quotes over here is, this is in the as the basic rule of VBA is like, if you are giving any text or a string, you have to give it in a double quotes, but we are giving it in a variable because this variable contains the value of addition of A plus B. So that's why we are not giving any double quotes. We are just running the program. So as you can see, you got the result, and then this OK button. Suppose it's not an information and this is not a test, we can give it as a whatever you want. Suppose you can say sum. That's it. Done. So this is how the VBA works. And still, if you want to know about more changes in the message box type, and as I said, like even the message box is used as an input for the program to proceed further. If you want to know further, please do comment on the comment box. We'll make a video and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Jai Hind.